Hey everybody, welcome back to Whiteboard Finance. This is going to be more of a lifestyle type video. I don't make many of these, but it's going to be about a product that I use to passively earn Bitcoin. Yes, I earn Bitcoin while pumping gas at Costco. So these tools, they're designed to simplify and make your financial life easier. So whether these tools that I talk about are high yield savings accounts, getting travel rewards for stuff you would have bought anyway, or just dollar cost averaging into long-term ETFs or index funds, it's all about accumulating assets that are going to grow your net worth over time, okay? So these need to maintain your PP, your purchasing power. So these assets, they go into your pie, they're each given a weight, but the video is not about pies. If you watch my pie video, that's not what this is about. Today, I'm going to show you a lesser known thing. Ooh, what is this? It's a credit card. I started using this myself, but not for points, not for airline miles, but to earn Bitcoin on everyday purchases. That's right, I'm talking about the Gemini credit card. So I know half of you have already clicked off the video, you're rolling your eyes and thinking, oh, this is some crypto hype video. Relax, this is not a crypto channel, okay? But you already know that I believe Bitcoin should be part of everybody's portfolio. You can agree to disagree, and that's fine. This video is probably not for you. But let's dive into why I've started using the Gemini card in my wallet, how it works, what it's best for, and whether it deserves a spot in your credit card setup. Let's get into it. So let's start why I even considered using this card in the first place. But before I get into the details, I need to disclose that this is not investment or financial advice. Trading crypto involves risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results. So you guys know me. If you've been watching my channel for many years, you know that I am a perma-bull on Bitcoin, and you know that I'm a conservative investor by nature. I'm not chasing meme coins or gambling on altcoin pumps, but I'm also incredibly bullish. And guess what? At the time of this recording, Bitcoin is at $101,000, okay? It got me thinking, what if I could just earn Bitcoin passively just doing what I already do, okay? Making the purchases I already make, gas, commuting, groceries, dining out. So I did some research, and that's what led me to the Gemini credit card, as you can see right here. Yes, I always conveniently keep a single credit card in my coat pocket, not even in a wallet, just right here, easy access. No, I'm just doing it for the convenience of this video. It's actually really nice, it's all metal. So anyway, I did some research, that's what led me to this. Basically what it does is that it gives you real-time crypto rewards on every swipe, okay? The best part is that it's set it, forget it, and there is no annual fee. So you can check out the description for more information on rates and fees. I'm not gonna go over that specifically in this video, but again, I'm dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin without even stressing about it. Okay, so how does this thing work? So you can earn rewards on every single dollar you spend, on every purchase, and those rewards are instantly deposited into your Gemini account in the crypto of your choice. Mine is obviously Bitcoin. So some rare exclusions apply to instant rewards in which the rewards are deposited when the transaction posts, but for me, again, I'm just doing this for Bitcoin. But they have over 50 cryptocurrencies. There is no waiting. You don't have to wait for statement credits, no redemption process. Your reward hits your Gemini exchange account immediately. So you can also switch your selected crypto reward at any time. I obviously am not going to do that, but if you want to pivot from Bitcoin to Ethereum, for example, or any other asset, you can do that easily inside the app. So the Gemini card is also a MasterCard, which means great acceptance worldwide, plus potential eligibility for programs like Simply Miles from American Airlines. However, I do need to state that I tried using this card, which you can see in this video. I tried doing it at Costco, and Costco only has an exclusive partnership with Visa.
We are unable to complete your transaction.
So if you're a big Costco person like I am, you may want to take that into consideration. But again, it works where all MasterCard is accepted. Okay, so let's break down the actual reward structure. So you get 4% back on gas, EV charging stations, transit, taxis, and ride shares. You get up to $300 per month on this, and then it turns into 1% after that. That cap resets on the first of every month, FYI. So you get 3% back on dining, okay? This is a competitive rate with many other premium cards. 2% on groceries, okay? This is a category that many no-fee cards don't even touch, okay? And then 1% is on everything else. So these are very respectable reward rates, in my opinion, based on like a Chase Sapphire or other cards that are out there with no annual fee. And the Chase does have an annual fee. It's been in my wallet for a long time. And like I said earlier, all of this gets converted into Bitcoin or the crypto of your choice instantly. Now, here's something that sweetens the deal. There's currently an intro bonus available if you get approved before June 30th, 2025. 6/30/25. Okay, that's the deadline. Buy now. What it gets you is $200 in crypto after spending $3,000 in the first 90 days. So that's a solid reward, especially when you consider there's no annual fee attached. Typically, to get these huge rewards, there's cards that have hundreds of dollars in annual fees. Okay, so who is this card actually for? So if you're building a no-fee credit card setup, this is a great one, okay? This is a great option because they have solid categories, okay? They're solid, the earnings are flexible, and you're getting exposure to potentially a high-growth asset. It also appeals to people who are kind of like crypto curious. These are curious beginners who want to start accumulating crypto without risking large amounts of cash, or who may be strapped for investable cash. Those people should be taking care of their credit card debt first, and then they can be earning passively if they are crypto curious. And then finally, we have the more conservative type investors, or people who want that passive exposure. Again, these are people that are not actually going out and actively buying Bitcoin or crypto or whatever you want to call it. These are people who just want that passive exposure without thinking about it. So even if you're not bullish on crypto long term, this can be an easy way to hedge and diversify your reward strategy. Okay, so let's dive into the features and then we'll get into the cons, okay? We need to keep this objective. So a few things that this card offers. This card is metal, okay? It comes in 3 colors, black, silver, or rose gold. For the ladies, or wait, it's 2025, maybe for everyone. Rose gold is for everyone, not just the ladies. No foreign transaction fees, which is nice. When you're traveling abroad, this is a nice feature. My wife and I travel a lot, so I will be using that. And there's also no exchange fees, okay? To acquire these rewards, you don't have to go through all these fees and changing and converting and doing all that stuff for selling or withdrawing your rewards on this platform. There is no credit score impact. That's supposed to be impact like a yellow comic book impact. It's just a really bad drawing. But it does not impact your credit score, which is great.
Hey guys, while editing this, I noticed that this section wasn't very clear, so I just want to say that checking to see if you pre-qualify will not impact your credit score, since it is a soft inquiry on your credit report. If you choose to submit an application after you pre-qualify, there will be a hard inquiry, which will impact your credit score. Pre-qualifying does not guarantee you will be approved.
So you get up to 5 authorized users. You also get referral bonuses. So this is for you and the referred, okay? So you both get $50 and the referrer earns an extra $250 on every 5th referral. Limit of 50 referrals per year. There's also no credit card number on the physical card itself, which I actually like, just in case if you lose the card, right, for security purposes. So this one right here is huge, the no credit score impact, in my opinion. If you're trying to avoid unnecessary inquiries or hard pulls in your credit score. So if you actually decide you want the card, then you can submit a full application, which will result in a hard inquiry and may impact your credit score. But again, that's only if you decide if you want the card or not. Okay, so what are the cons? Crypto is risky, duh, okay? So it's not all perfect. If you're anti-crypto or simply don't want to deal with the volatility of Bitcoin or other cryptos, this obviously is not the card for you. Though you can get your rewards in stable coins like GUSD. That's pretty interesting. Again, these stable coins, this is basically just tied to the value of the US dollar. So everyone knows crypto is inherently risky. It's a risk-on asset and prices do fluctuate like crazy. But for me, again, it's a way to earn Bitcoin with everyday purchases that I'm already making, and I'm comfortable with that. Okay, so here's the bottom line. My thoughts at the end of the video as always. If you want a credit card that offers strong rewards, no annual fees, and the ability to passively invest in Bitcoin, this Gemini credit card is definitely worth considering. I personally use it for gas and other things, and I treat those rewards like a little dollar cost average contribution into my Bitcoin stack. So if you want, you can click the link in the description to learn more or apply. Again, that $200 crypto bonus ends June 30th, 2025. Let me know in the comments if you've ever used a crypto rewards card and if you think Bitcoin has a place in your long-term strategy. If you got any value from this video, please smash the like, gently click the like button, gently subscribe, gently share this video with 13,000 friends. And as always, thank you so much for watching and have a prosperous day.
Yeah, I get both of these. I'm just filming some stuff for my channel.
I make overnight oats with this. I make smoothies with both of them.
Love it. Awesome. Thank you, brother. Have a good one.
You too.